Have you ever done something without thinking, like riding a bicycle or typing on a keyboard? That's your subconscious mind at work. It controls actions, habits, and reactions without needing your full attention. The mind has two main parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is active when you think, plan, or make decisions. It's logical, alert, and aware of the present moment. But the subconscious mind works quietly in the background. It stores your beliefs, memories, emotions, habits, and automatic responses. From childhood, everything you see, hear, and experience gets stored in your subconscious. This is where your self-image, fears, and habits are formed. Even if you forget something consciously, your subconscious still remembers. The subconscious mind does not judge or reason. It simply accepts what it receives. That's why repeated messages, whether positive or negative, become beliefs over time. If you keep saying, "I can't do it," your subconscious starts to believe it. But if you repeat, "I am confident," your subconscious will accept that too, and your behavior will begin to change. Your habits are also shaped by the subconscious. Once a habit is formed, like brushing your teeth every morning, you don't think about it, you just do it. That's the power of the subconscious. It helps you save mental energy by turning repeated actions into routines. You can reprogram your subconscious mind. Positive affirmations, visualization, and meditation are tools people use to change negative patterns. When you relax and feed your mind with new healthy thoughts, the subconscious begins to respond. Understanding your subconscious gives you more control over your life. By being aware of the messages you send to your mind, you can build confidence, change bad habits, and feel more balanced. So next time you catch yourself thinking or doing something automatically, remember, your subconscious is listening, learning, and shaping your life from within.